When working with large Excel sheets, one of the first features that can really improve your workflow is the ability to freeze your heading, especially when your data extends far down the page and you keep losing sight of your column titles. To do this, simply go to the View tab at the top of Excel, open the Freeze panes dropdown, and select Freeze Top Row, which instantly locks your main heading in place so no matter how far you scroll down, you can still see the labels that help you understand the data beneath each column, making it much easier to stay organized and avoid mistakes caused by guessing what each value refers to. And when you're done with this view or want to change your layout, just go back to the same menu and select Unfreeze panes to restore normal scrolling. After that, you may reach a point where you want to keep both certain rows and certain columns visible at the same time. For example, freezing at a position like C5, which is a common spot when your first few rows include instructions or headings and your first few columns include things like IDs, names, or categories. To do that, click on the cell where the frozen sections should meet, then go to Freeze panes and choose the main Freeze panes option, and Excel will lock everything above and to the left of your selected cell in one step, giving you a stable reference point while scrolling in any direction, which is incredibly useful in large tables, financial sheets, reports, and attendance lists. And whenever you want to clear the freezing to adjust your view again, simply open the Freeze panes menu and click Unfreeze panes. Next, if you need to focus on scrolling sideways while keeping an important column visible, for example, when moving across many fields in a long horizontal dataset, you can freeze a single column by going back to Freeze panes and choosing Freeze First Column, which locks your far left column in place so you can scroll to the right without losing track of names, labels, or categories. This is especially useful when you need to compare data across multiple columns but still need to know which record each row belongs to, and when you're ready to return to a normal view, just select Unfreeze panes again. After clearing that view, you might return to the more commonly used option, Freeze Top Row, to keep your main header visible again while working down a long list or analyzing large datasets, and then, depending on the structure of your sheet, you might choose Freeze First Column afterward to also keep your identifiers visible while scrolling horizontally. If you found this helpful, keep learning more Excel tips and tricks to sharpen your skills and make your work faster and more professional.